Well, guys, we're only about a month away from the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. How many of you are going, and what's your favorite thing to look at? Let me know in the comments down below.